Okay, this is the first tutorial in a series about using TeX typesetting, and you might want to look this over. The experiment. For your experimentation, I highly recommend using TeXworks, and don't type the line numbers. Just kind of look that over. Okay, and this is the code for our final document, and you can see it's pretty short. It's maybe 15 lines, 17 lines with the spaces, with the blank lines, and that's the finished document. Once again, we're not going to start there. We're going to start very simply with we're setting the page width and the page height on lines 1 and 2. We end the document on line 4, and the only output here is hello world. And let's go ahead and look at what we've got so far. So you can see in the upper left corner we've got hello world. At the bottom near the center you've got the number 1. So there is only one page, so we really don't need page numbering. Okay, and you can see on line 3 we're defining a font, and we're going to scale it up. And on line 4 we apply that font to our hello world text, and you can see now that the hello world is quite a bit larger. Okay, and we're going to scale it up once again, still larger yet. And now we're going to put in some lines, some horizontal lines, and you can see just below and above the hello world very thin lines. I don't know if you can see that on the video, but I can see it here. And we're going to add some spacing between those lines. I don't know why I put eject in there, but we've got an eject in there, whatever. So now you can see it's kind of centered in the page vertically with the lines top and bottom. And you can see on line 3 here we're changing things. We're eliminating the page numbers. Only got one page anyways, so now there are no page numbers. And let me see here. Now we're going to, on line 7 you can see we're centering hello world horizontally. So we're going to center that, and there it is, right in the center of the page, both horizontally and vertically. Okay, and now we're going to add some height to our lines. So you can see they're quite a bit thicker, and we're going to add some more lines, and these are going to be very close to our hello world, so just above and below it. And there you can see that they're actually too close, so we got to add some spacing. So we're going to put some spacing in there and take another look, and that's what we've got so far. And what do we do next? Let's try scaling up the font a little bit larger yet. There it is. Okay, but the lines above and below it, they should extend beyond the ends of the text. So we're going to change that, and this is what we've got. And that's the final code. So you might want to copy that down and check it out. And once again, there's our final document. And that's all there is for this one.